Earlier this year, I noticed a question in the Google Pixel subreddit about random contacts being added to Android. In this person's situation, they went to share a photo, and the application suggested that they share this image with a Gmail contact that they were not familiar with. This can be alarming to people, as it can seem as if their device or their account had been hacked. And while that may be the case for some instances, this can actually just be a feature that is built into the Gmail service. See, by default, Gmail will add people you've emailed to its internal contact list. This contact isn't likely going to be showing up in your actual contacts application. Instead, it will be hidden within Gmail and its internal contact list. And this happens because Gmail likes to add anyone that you have previously emailed to this internal list, so that in the future, whenever you go to type out an email address, it can auto-complete that address for you. But as some people have noticed, this can also surface these random contacts to the Android share menu as well. Thankfully, we can disable this feature by first opening up the Gmail website. And you'll likely want to do this on the desktop, as this option simply is not available in the Gmail application itself. And if you're going to visit Gmail on your mobile web browser, be sure that you have the desktop site option enabled here. So when you open up Gmail, you're going to want to look at the top right corner and tap the gear icon. And then you're going to want to select the Show All Settings button there at the top. From here, we can simply scroll down a little bit until you see an option labeled Create Contacts for Autocomplete. Now again, this option is enabled by default, so whenever you send a message to a new person, Gmail will add them to the Other Contacts list. So again, the email application can autocomplete those addresses for you. However, we can prevent this type of issue from happening in the future by selecting the I'll add contacts myself option. Finally, you'll need to tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen before closing out the Gmail website. With this setting changed, you'll no longer find random strangers added to your contacts list. But from here, you can also visit the Google Contacts page again on the web to find the Other Contacts category mentioned earlier. And this is where you'll want to go if you plan on deleting all of those random email addresses that have been previously saved by this feature.